Hey guys, welcome back. Robot lawn mowers are increasingly becoming a viable solution for folks who want to keep their yard as effortlessly clean as their floors indoors. Luckily, there are many products available to choose robot lawn mowers, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make a research on the internet and compiled a list of the best robot lawn mowers from a couple of brands. After completing the research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. To know more about these products, please be sure to check out the description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Segway Navimow i105N Robot Lawn Mower. Segway, better known for its people-moving accessories, has developed a robot lawn mower that stacks up surprisingly well against some of the best models tested, holding its own at half the price of other comparable options. Another robot lawn mower utilizing RTK technology is the Navimow i105N. Its antenna is slightly smaller than the one used by the LUBA 2, but the GPS technology functions similarly. The initial setup process requires users to define mowing zones and areas to avoid ideally a one-time task involving a walk around the yard, though success depends on how well it is executed. However, the same vision technology responsible for this quirk also excels at helping the mower consistently avoid objects, including footballs, lawn tools, chairs, and even pets. It may not be the biggest or strongest mower on the market, but it's a great introduction at a competitive price point, which makes it a good option for many. Number 2. Gardena Sileno Minimo Robotic Mower. This robot lawn mower features a charging time of 60 to 75 minutes and a run time of 65 minutes. Automatically returning to its charging dock when the battery is low. One notable advantage is its quiet operation, emitting only 57 decibels comparable to the volume of a casual conversation. This makes it significantly quieter than traditional lawn mowers, whether battery-powered or gas-powered, which typically operate between 75 and 95 decibels. As a result, it can be used without causing disturbance to neighbors. The mower relies on boundary wires to define cutting areas and incorporates AI-precise technology to ensure a streak-free lawn. This system allows it to handle tight corners and narrow passages as slim as 24 inches with precision. Additionally, it is equipped with built-in sensors to detect and avoid obstacles during operation. A safety feature automatically stops the blades when the mower is lifted, enhancing user safety. Number 3. Worx Landroid Vision WR230. It was inevitable that one of the robot lawn mowers would escape its designated area and end up somewhere it shouldn't during testing. That title ultimately went to the Worx Landroid, which managed to wander into a neighbor's landscaping while unsupervised, leading to an unintended intrusion. The root of the problem lies in the Landroid's AIA intelligent navigation system, designed to make precise right-angle turns when reaching the edge of a yard. While this feature works well in enclosed spaces like fenced backyards, it can cause issues when the mower cannot distinguish where one yard ends and another begins. To address this, the Worx Landroid uses magnetic strips to define lawn edges in areas without physical barriers. When installed correctly, these strips are effective. However, in this case, the provided 33-foot strip was insufficient to separate the yard from neighboring properties, especially when compared to the hundreds of feet of electromagnetic cable included with Husqvarna's boundary wire mower. Number 4. LUBA 2 AWD 5000 Robot Lawn Mower. Momotion's LUBA 2 stands out as the top-performing robot lawn mower tested. Its open-wheel design, reminiscent of a Formula 1 race car, might humorously suggest more horsepower and speed than it actually delivers. Beyond this playful observation, there is little to criticize about this product, which earned the highest overall score among the robot lawn mowers evaluated. The LUBA 2 maintains a wireless connection to its charging station using a real-time kinematic antenna. This antenna must be installed near the charging station in an area with clear visibility to both the mower and the sky to ensure a stable satellite connection. Installation supplies are included, and an optional attachment arm is available. Once set up, the LUBA 2's advanced features become apparent. Its thoughtfully designed app allows users to meticulously customize every aspect of the mowing process, including mowing zones, channels between zones, no-go areas, and various cutting patterns. Number 5. Husqvarna Automower 430X. For those more comfortable starting with a traditional lawnmower brand when exploring robot counterparts, the Husqvarna Automower series is an excellent first choice. The tested model relies on a physical boundary wire, requiring installation before mowing could begin. Unlike many top robot lawn mowers such as the LUBA 2 and Segway Navimow, which use RTK antennas for navigation, the Automower 430XH operates using charged electromagnetic wires. These wires encircle the yard and connect to the charging base at both ends, effectively creating an electric fence to guide the mower. The installation process can vary in complexity depending on the property layout and whether the cable is buried, a recommended step for permanent setups. Securing the outer boundary wire and the accompanying guide wire, which helps the mower return to its base, can be a significant task. That's all for today. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to our channel. For more information or to check out product prices, take a look at the description below. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to leave a comment.